love this chicken Bhuna Masala. It uses very simple ingredients and delivers a restaurant quality curry. Let's start with 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of chicken. I've cut a whole chicken here in kadai pieces. Add the juice of half a lime, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic, and mix it in. You can also use ginger and garlic paste. I will be using my Instant Pot for this recipe. You can use any other electronic pressure cooker or even your stovetop pressure cooker. I'm going to set my Instant Pot to sauté mode. Heat up half a cup of oil and a quarter cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil can be overpowering, so I'm just toning it down with some regular oil. Mix this together and heat it well. Next, I'm going to add in a few whole spices. I'm going to start with 2 bay leaves, 1 javitri or mace flower, 3 inches of cinnamon bark, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 4 cardamoms. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of chopped onion, as well as 2 red Kashmiri chilies. I'm just going to tear these up and add them in. I'm also going to add 3 to 4 green chilies that I've sliced horizontally. Mix this. Now I'm just going to allow the onion to caramelize. I will admit that this does take longer in an Instant Pot. If you're in a rush, you can start your curry base in a pan or kadai and just transfer it to an Instant Pot or another electric cooker or even a stovetop cooker. It's totally up to you. I've chosen the lazy one-pot method today, so I will wait patiently for my onion to brown. Once the onions have browned, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add 1 cup of chopped tomato. For best results, use ripe tomatoes. Mix this in and allow the tomatoes to cook. Once cooked, just squish the tomatoes with the back of a spoon. Now I'm going to just move this all to one side and I'm going to add in another half cup of mustard oil. Add the chicken in and add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this together, taste for salt, and add salt to taste. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and in the same container, I'm going to add a half cup of water and I'm going to add it in. The Instant Pot usually takes less water. If you're using a regular pressure cooker, add double the water. Close the pressure cooker and allow this to pressure cook for 15 minutes. Once done, look how luscious the gravy is and the chicken is super tender. Remember that in the Instant Pot, gravy will always be thinner because of the intense buildup of steam. You can just dry this up using sauté mode if you wish. Garnish with chopped coriander and enjoy.